Ever needed to prove where you live for something important? Your bank statement might be your best friend. To use your bank statement as proof of address, it needs to clearly display your full legal name and current residential address. Make sure these details are exactly as they appear on your other official identification. Most banks offer digital statements, which are perfectly acceptable if you're using a digital copy. Ensure it's a recent one, usually issued within the last 3 months, and that it's downloaded directly from your bank's official website or app. For physical submissions, a printed statement directly from your bank is ideal. If you're printing from a digital copy, ensure the print quality is high and all the necessary details remain legible and untampered with. These statements are commonly accepted for a range of official processes, including opening new bank accounts, applying for loans, registering for utilities, and even sometimes for government applications. While the transaction history itself isn't the primary proof, it does help verify the statement's authenticity. Look for your bank's official logo, the statement date, and your account number, all of which are essential for validation. When submitting, you might be asked to provide a scanned copy or email the statement. If submitting a physical copy, ensure it's folded neatly or rolled for easy handling, and always check with the receiving institution if they have any specific format requirements. By ensuring your bank statement is clear, recent, and contains all the required information, you can confidently use it to verify your address and ensure your important transactions go smoothly.